Today sure is a beautiful day. What are you doing?
What? Whiskers needs to be punished.
But you shouldn't hurt a pet like that. Would you do that to your own pet?
I would if it kept misbehaving like this little...
Why would you do that? Animals have feelings too, you know. How would you like it if someone abused you?
Listen, I'm just trying to discipline it so that it doesn't bite me all the time.
Look, animals aren't children. Sometimes they don't know what they did wrong. That's why it's important to properly train them. It's always important to treat your pets with love and care. You shouldn't hit them to discipline them, because sometimes they only act on instinct.
Exactly, you have to show your pets more practical training methods compared to just hitting them.
Hitting a pet could potentially ruin your relationship with the animal. It can even heighten aggression. Animals can be disciplined in many ways that don't involve physical pain, such as with clickers and treats. When your dog acts good, it's always good to reward them. But if the dog is acting badly, it's best to ignore them. When they bark at you, bark! Or they nip at your fingers,
Ow!
They're usually trying to get your attention. Ignoring them sends the signal that they need to act differently to get your attention.
If you're still having trouble training your dog, speak with the trainer. They have experience training many different types and breeds of dogs.
Yes, as a certified professional of the canine type, I do say that you must speak with me when training a dog, especially if you've never trained one before. Isn't that right, Mr. Woofers?
Are you sure that's a dog?
Yeah, I know what I'm talking about.
That's a very odd-looking dog.
Well, look, he's trying his best, alright? Now, leave him alone. Jeez, the nerve of some of these people.
Both cats and dogs can be taught simple phrases, and they can respond to their own names. They can get taught phrases like no and sit.
Cats and dogs are very similar, but they also have a lot of differences. They may be very similar, but their social mannerisms and behavior do vary. It's always good to talk to a professional about these kinds of things.
Animal abuse isn't always through physical harm. Sometimes they just get neglected or thrown out, and then they have to become strays.
Help protect these poor animals from the harm that no person should ever have to go through. Just because they aren't human, that doesn't mean they should be treated like less than that.
Okay, I think I get it now. I'm not going to hurt animals anymore because I care about them.
That's all it takes to be a good owner.
So make sure to always love, care, and respect for your animals. Remember, do reward your animals for good behavior. But never physically hurt an animal. Animal abuse is never okay. Never do this. Ever. Funko for waffle. Bye-bye.